Well, in the periphery of this big heat wave, you notice the pinks and oranges here. Those are heat advisories, excessive heat warnings. We're going to see a complex of severe storms kind of blow up here and gel near Minneapolis to about Madison, Wisconsin. That'll move east and then kind of southeast or on the periphery of the heat wave overnight into early tomorrow morning. I think based on the latest data, most of this is going to stay north of our area, but I wouldn't be a bit surprised if late tonight, tomorrow morning, we may see a couple storms kind of form on the tail end in our northeast counties. But it doesn't look like it will be as widespread as it was this morning. But otherwise, the big weather story is certainly the heat for tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, again, we'll keep 30% coverage of a couple storms if they can get going on the tail end of some of those storms up north. In our northeastern counties, and areas that did get the rain this morning may see some patchy fog. 72, 95 at noon, and then for the rest of the afternoon, mostly sunny skies are pretty capped. It'll be 102 in Lafayette, West Lafayette, but notice the wind, southwest 15 to 25. That will provide limited relief. It's the same weather pattern, intense heat, intense humidity, and on the periphery of the heat wave, clusters of storms in that ring of fire. And again, we'll have one well north of here tomorrow morning. We'll probably have another one as we get into Thursday. I think that one could affect more of the viewing area, and then perhaps another on Friday before it turns cooler by the upcoming weekend. Very hot tomorrow. After 70s in the morning, it'll be 99 for the high at Logansport, 98 at Rochester, 102 Lafayette, 105 at Perrysville, 104 Crawfordsville, 102 Fowler. These numbers very, very reasonable given the fact that parts of southeast Illinois hit 110 this afternoon. Thursday, 96 Logansport, Monticello, just a hair cooler, 97 Lafayette, still 101 Crawfordsville, 100 Atlanta and Tipton, and a 93 at Winnemac. And I think our storm potential coming up on Thursday. In fact, we may see a cluster of storms kind of move through the heart of the viewing area at some point Thursday. So there's your 102 tomorrow. Again, most of the severe weather well off to our north and our east in that ring of fire, but we may have a storm or two, mainly in our northeast in the morning. Thursday, I think we'll have a cluster of storms kind of move a little more southerly, so we may have to introduce that severe threat for a good 3/4 of the viewing area Thursday at 97. Severe threat Friday as the cold front goes through at 94, and then we're back to 88. A little bit cooler on Saturday. There's the 7-day forecast. Couple storms early tomorrow morning, again mainly northeast, and then 2 rounds of storms possible in that Thursday, Friday time frame with temps well into the 90s. 88 Saturday, Sunday, a little bit better. 90 Monday, but then the leading edge of the heat wave will start to come back at us. So some storms possible, and 92 degrees, Dan, on Tuesday.
All right, thanks.